Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going over a $1,000 portfolio split into four cryptos, $250 a piece. These cryptos are under $100 million market cap, and in my opinion, have the potential to go to a billion and beyond. And realistically, depending on your goals, you are not going to make extraordinary gains holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other large caps. You have to look for gems and position yourself accordingly. Now, it's important to note I hold all of these cryptos, so I do have a bias, but these cryptos were not randomly picked. I've done the research, and it'll be explained why in today's video. And I'm also feeling pretty generous, so if this video gets over 100 likes, I will give away $50 in the next video. So with that said, leave a like down below, make sure you are subscribed, and let's get straight into the video. Okay, so here are the four cryptos. First up, we have SMH Space Mesh, a crypto that we've not spoke about on the channel just yet. This is the most decentralized layer 1 crypto named the People's Coin. Space Mesh is a decentralized blockchain protocol that uses a unique approach called Proof of Spacetime POST that combines the efficiencies of proof of work and proof of stake on a DAG, prioritizing storage over power. And on to the third point, it took 7 months to reach 1 million nodes, and it will take 2 more months to reach 2 million. This has never been seen before. Also backed by Coinbase Ventures and many other tier 1 VCs. A project TIA is also backed by Coinbase Ventures, got listed on Coinbase, then went parabolic. The same will happen for SMH. Also not listed on any major exchanges just yet, but that will change very soon in the roadmap. In April, a minimum of 3 tier 2 exchanges. And exchange listings are very important. For example, let's look at Fact that got listed on MEX on February 13th. Went from around $14, $15 up to $80 after that listing. It's going to be a very common theme with cryptos like SMH, ComAI, Tau, Check is buying on MEX, BitGet, KuCoin, and then selling on Binance, Coinbase, Kraken later down the line. And also a $90 million market cap. Price has actually pulled back recently from the $4 ranges. Good entry points once again. And lastly, 5 years of team research before launching. This is what I want. Teams building, working in silence, and then launching, not just launching a token quickly for a quick cash grab. This, in my eyes, is the best risk to reward ratio layer 1 on the market, similar to a early cast. More videos to come on this project. Next up, we have Alliance Block NXRA. And Alliance Block's mission is to build the infrastructure of a decentralized, tokenized market, tokenization of real world assets. This is very important when it comes to the team. An experienced team is what you want in a project, especially with a narrative like real world assets, where you see a lot of projects jump on the bandwagon. I want a project that's been involved for years, and this is shown here in the white paper back to 2019, 2020, predicting a market of $2 trillion, and they build the infrastructure for tokenization of real world assets. This is also similar with BitTensor, founded in 2019. You see a lot of projects rotate, rebrand under AI, but they've been involved for a while before the explosion of ChatGPT. And now on to the third point. It is a new coin. People keep saying to me, why is this coin not increasing? Why is that coin not increasing? The main coins that are increasing in value right now are based on a narrative that is popular or are new coins in lower market capitalization. There was a unfortunate hack with ALBT, but we have a new token now, not even a year old, back in March 2023. This time round, the supply is scarcer from, I think it was 1 billion to 850 million, 90% circulating. So you've essentially got a time machine to the previous token ALBT at a low market capitalization. And now on to the fourth point, we have narrative. When it comes to projects in terms of use case, fundamentals, team, tokenomics, I view QNT as number one in terms of those ticks needed as number one in my portfolio. But if that was the only thing that dictated price, I would be all in QNT, but that is not the case. Narrative is important. Real world assets will be more popular in 2024. The cumulative market cap is less than 3 billion. Cardano is currently more than 20 billion, we are going so much higher. And these increases with these sectors come in waves with AI coins and real world assets, so you have to position accordingly. And with that said, on to the last point, $97 million market cap. All real world asset cryptos, the hype has gone away a little bit for now. They're cooling off. It will return. Position accordingly. Higher accumulation levels for NX Array at the 10, 11, 12 cent ranges from the previous 5 to 6 cent ranges. Prepare for the next leg up past 20 cents and onto all-time high for this project. Next up, we have Checked Check. Okay, so Check is not the easiest project to wrap your head around, but with digital identity, all you need to remember is that governments in the EU will be pushing forward digital identity solutions, more so digital wallets, and Check falls under as an electronic ledger. Also, is a leader in self-sovereign identity, is partnered with 70% of the global SSI vendors. And on to the third and most important point is verifiable AI. We've spoken about the problems within AI when it comes to deepfakes, fake voices, no way to prove your identity. They already offer a decentralized platform for verifiable credentials, and that is perfect for verifiable AI, solving AI's biggest problems, which is trust and verification. And now on to the fourth point, strong connected team. Not only are they voted in the top 100 startups, we can also see, thanks to GhostPro, Accenture, in their Top Tech 2023 report, 40% was dedicated to digital identity. CTO and CEO of Checked worked at Accenture as part of the digital ID team before founding Checked. These are the right people for the job. And lastly, huge opportunity at this level of market cap, only 59 million, entering accumulation levels once again at the 9 cent ranges. Great buy. And last, we have WadsPay, a blockchain based payments technology provider founded in 2018 in Singapore and operates globally. In short, agnostic platform for CBDCs, crypto, and fiat with a focus on B2B. And with that, they have a very experienced team which brought my attention to the project in the first place. We have Khalid, 10 years of experience at Swift. We have Anish, vice president previously of MasterCard, more experience from Visa Amex, and many, many more. And also a new employee approaching from Ripple. And now on to the third point, we have regulation. They take this very seriously. Back in October, November time, they got their initial VARA approval. Then recently, they got their second approval, the pre-operational approval. They're going through the onboarding process, expected to be in April, May 2024. For reference, 1,500 applicants, 16 got the go-ahead, and only WadsPay from this specific industry. And that's not even mentioning they have presence again at the Digital Currency Conference in 2024 alongside Ripple, Stellar, and all these other banks and known entities. Very, very exciting for this cryptocurrency. And the lowest on the list in terms of market cap, only $14 million. This is such an obvious pick in my portfolio. In higher lows, accumulation ranges once again at the 2 cent levels. Probably the only buy in my portfolio that I'm not priced out on. Like, the AI coins are through the roof. This coin is still in accumulation ranges. And that's my picks for the $100 million market cap cryptocurrencies. Obviously, lower the market cap, more risky. You're essentially investing into startups. But if I'm investing in crypto, which is already a risky, volatile market, I want to get the most returns. This is perfect for a smaller portfolio. But let me know down below, what other projects at this level of market cap would you add to the portfolio? Share them down below in the comment section. But if you made this far in the video, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.